Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an OR review. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and I do a lot of product reviews to let you know which products are legitimate and which ones are not, and help you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. So what is the problem in the marketplace right now? There is a huge problem with marketers, and they are having their PayPal accounts shut down right and left, Stripe accounts shut down, merchant accounts, and we work really hard for our money, and you want to be able to actually get that money into your bank account. I know myself, I had my PayPal account shut down. They will hold the money for 6 months. I didn't have that much in there, but I know people who had like over $8,000 and that money's just frozen. And it's permanent. There's no way that you can open up another PayPal, because I tried just to be able to pay for things. That one got shut down too. And they said it's against their terms and conditions. We're selling digital products, but they kind of lump that together with get-rich-quick schemes. And if you start to get a lot of money into your account, they think there's something going on there. And then I had my Stripe account shut down, same thing, because what happens is people's cards get declined, or they do chargebacks and then they think it's fraudulent charges, which it isn't. So that's why I got my Stripe account shut down. I have a First Data merchant account. I have thousands of dollars in there. I haven't been able to get it out. Every time I call, you're on hold for 2 hours. They told me, well, we are trying to send it to your bank, and then the bank is rejecting it. I went to the bank and they said there's no record that anything's ever been tried to been deposited into your account. So then I'm on the phone again with them, and they say, well, you have an account, you have a charge that you need to pay. So they send me to the department for that, and no, you don't have any money, you don't owe any money. There's no fees that you owe. So then I'm on hold for another hour and a half. They said, okay, well, we'll just call you back. No one ever calls me back. And then, I'm at work and you can't be on the phone that long. So it's just, it's a big problem in the industry, because you work really hard to earn those commissions, and then you want to be able to have those commissions like in your bank account. So what is the solution? We've come up with that with OR, and what it is there's no merchant fees. No merchants freezing your accounts, no fraudulent disputes or chargebacks. You can't have any chargebacks. That's like no more. No high merchant fees. You don't have to worry about your account getting shut down for selling digital products and services. No more limits and delays on your bank transfers. So basically you're having this peace of mind that you're selling high ticket digital products, and you're going to get your money. Okay, so it is a game changer, because it's going to change the way that we collect money. And unfortunately, it had to come to this, but it's actually a good solution, because you're going to be able to earn money from this OR as well. And I'm going to not try to explain it all to you. I'm just going to show you this video. It's like 5 minutes long. And basically, it's so... I mean, no one cannot afford it. It's $5.95 a month. There's no transaction fees, and again, no chargebacks, no reversals. So you can use it all over the globe, member to member. And if you choose to refer others, it can become very lucrative. You really want to watch this till the very end. It is a game changer. It's a no-brainer too. So watch this 5-minute video. And then at the end, go ahead and click the link in the description below this video and get started today.
Hello, ORUtopians. So we are going to do a quick illustration of ORU protocol, which is the program that pays you for sharing ORU with others. So very simply, we just log in to the ORU account, which I've already done here. You go to click on your account. There's the entire menu. As you can see here on the left, you have all of your menu options. So we click on protocol. And this is your protocol window. In the right upper corner, you see the dynamic protocol income calculator. We're going to click on that, and there is the calculator. Now we're going to zero out each layer. As you know, ORU protocol has 10 layers that are infinitely wide, no qualifications, very, very simple. So we're going to illustrate how easy it is, and you can see how those numbers add up pretty quickly. Let's say that you were to share ORU with 20 people. So we're going to put 20 in there. And let's say that all they would ever do is just share it with 2 people. That's it, just 2 people. So right here we put in 40, we put in 80, and we go like 160 right there. We'll put in 320, 640, 1280, and so on until you reach the end of your protocol system. And right away you can see, by just sharing it with 20 people and they only share it with 2 people, you're making $5,115 a month. You will have made already $76,000 in activations and share bonuses, but you're making a residual income of $5,115. That is how quick this happens. Now, if we wanted to up the ante a little bit and say, instead of sharing it with 2 people, why don't we share it with 3 people? You know, it doesn't seem like a lot. Remember, this is only $5.95 a month. So let's say we do it with 3 people. So right now we get 60, and we'll just fill out this matrix once again, and it'll give you some idea of what that looks like. By the way, you can put anything you want in this calculator yourself. You can play with it all day long, put anything in there and see what it is you would have to do in order to get rewarded for sharing ORU with others. So we're almost done here with this particular model. So as you can see, it's very simple. So right now, if you were to share ORU with 20 people and they would only share it with 3 people, you would be making $147,000 a month, every month. And you will have made $2.2 million, as you can see right here, in activations, in annual residuals. So pretty cool stuff. And there's a couple of more cool things about protocol, which we'll go over in another tutorial. On this ORU page, on this protocol page, you can see how many members there are in your group, how many members on which layer, strong people. You can search for members, and you can also check out your entire member genealogy. But for now, what is important is this calculator here, this dynamic protocol income calculator. And it shows you exactly how much money you're going to make for sharing ORU with others. Well, that's it for today. And have a wonderful ORUtopian day, and we'll see you at the next tutorial.